Hi, my name is Tanya and welcome to the fourth video in the Trading of 14th series. Today we'll be looking at the actual mechanics of buying and selling stocks using an interactive broker. So the broker that's open right now is Trader Workstation. I'll be showing you how to place an order for a stock. So let's type in a stock. We can click stock. So if we want to buy a stock, we click on the ask price and you have two options. You can either buy it at the limit price or the market price. So if you click limit, it will you're buying it at a specific price, like this price, but if you click your market price, you're buying it at whatever price the stock is right now, well, when the market is open. So limit price, buying the limit is less risky, but it might not go through, whereas buying the market price is slightly more risky. So let's just cancel this, discard. Okay, so let's say the market was open and we had a share of the stock and we wanted to sell it. We would click on the bid price and you can sell your number of shares, and you would just click transmit, and that's how you sell a stock. Let's say you want to put a stop on the stock. Basically what a stop is that you're saying if the price goes below a certain amount, then your stock will be sold automatically. So if we want to put a stop, we just change this to stop, and we can change this price. Right now it's $1 under the price that the stock is right now. So you can change it, you can bring it down or up depending on what you want to do, and you can place stop that way. Of course, the market is closed right now, but when the market is open, these prices would be changing. They would be going up or going down. So I'm just going to answer some questions from the last video. Can you explain how much was your position size? So I'm limited to buying 400 shares, so I can buy anything under 400 shares of a stock. How do you decide your stop losses? My stop losses are between 25 cents and $1. If the stock price is high, then I use $1 stop. And for lower price stocks, I'll put a stop between 25 cents to $1. And I move my stops once my position is profitable. If the profit in my position keeps increasing, I keep moving the stops up. Are you still holding positions or have you closed them? I closed my positions because they hit the stops, so I got stopped out. In some I got stopped out at profit, in some at break even, and in some I made losses. I select the stocks. For the last question is, please explain why you chose the 3 stocks to trade out of 4,000 stocks. I select the stocks based on the scans that my dad taught me how to run. I'm setting up all the scans in TC2000 and I'm running them in TC2000. If you have any new questions, I'll answer them in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.